What is going on, guys? CJ Got Kicks 89 here, back with another video for you guys. Today we are just doing a random pickup, so to speak. So I was at Zone 5 and these were on clearance for 60 ringgit. This is the toy machine Abec 7. I think this is the Transistor. The long name, nama panjang dia, is Transistor Sect Abec 7 bloodsucking, whatever. But it was originally for 93 ringgit at Zone 5, and they had this on sale for 60 ringgit, and I'll tell you why I got them. This, I think, is the perfect display piece over at home or in the office or whatsoever. And I've always liked this idea of packaging from Toy Machine, because trust Ed Templeton to come up with the most random things, right? But all over you've got this PEZ style packaging. Like I said, it's an Abec 7 bearing. Performance wise, since I'm not going to be riding this, I've read up on slap message boards that this is as reliable as your standard cheapo bearings, because nowadays reds cost as much as 120 ringgit. So with this being about 93 full price, and I would say it's almost the same. You could say what you want about this just being another one of those repackaged bearings, but if you guys rode HKDs, flip HKDs, Abec 7s or 5s back in the day, you would know that they were pretty quality bearings and they stood the test of time. They were Naz's ones were really rusted. I just brought them back to life, just put them in acetone and just re-lube them, and they basically work as well as they should, and they're now even faster than I remember that they were at some point. So bearings are bearings. Obviously packaging is just packaging, but if you're paying 60 ringgit for like really cool packaging from Toy Machine, and it comes in that PEZ style, so basically what happens is you can just cock this back and just pull out the bearings. There's a tray of bearings right inside there. And it's, I mean, Ed Templeton's art and design is really outrageous and very, specifically him. The way that they even spelled bearings is B-E-R-R-I-N-G-S. So, I mean, just don't take things seriously, guys, right? So I'm just gonna have this around wherever that I may be in the world, just to kind of remind me not to just have fun, you know. So these are Toy Machine Transistor Sect Abec 7 bearings. Really short video. I'll probably post some pictures of websites that have them unpackaged. I don't want to unpackage this because the bearing will rust, obviously, and I've checked that it's actually already sealed really well. No air can get inside right now. So I'm just gonna keep this just like this, and maybe if I bust through my Shake Junts and my independent blacks, I'll probably put these on. But until then, this is just gonna be laying around. So Toy Machine from the Bloodsucking Corporation, Ed Templeton. CJ Got Kicks 89.